Good morning, future millionaires. My name is Mr. Crypto. Welcome to Wednesday's edition of Crypto News Network. Here at CNN, we'll be bringing you all the latest in cryptocurrency news, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So people, if you like what you see, please smash the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications for all latest news. So without further delay, let's get going. So, another interesting day on the market. Not really much recovery to be said. Still trading quite low compared to yesterday's dip. Still haven't fully recovered yet. We've got the market cap sitting at 2 trillion, 24-hour volume, 286 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 48%. That's quite low. Altcoin season has definitely started, just hasn't kicked in yet, not to its proper extent. And the ETH dominance sitting at 13.1%. So as you can see, sorry people, Ethereum has taken a nice little leap today. All you Ethereum holders will be happy. ETH does move slow, but when it does pump, it pumps hard. So there's going to be a lot of happy ETH people out there today. Feel happy for you. XRP still floating at 6.7 around the area. So it's quite a good high on the day. Cardano 6.5, Dogecoin. I did warn you about this yesterday, people. If you saw yesterday's episode, I did say it was due for a correction, and it seems like it's happening now. So it's minus 15.2% on the 24-hour on Dogecoin. So be careful on that. Excuse me. So Litecoin is actually being followed closely by Uniswap. I doubt very much that Litecoin will stay in the top 10 between now and the end of the month. It is struggling to hold its position. As you can see, it's got Uniswap hot on its tail, followed by VeChain. I think VeChain will be the one to pop into the top 10 by the end of the month. Moving on to the news. So today, people, we've got a bit of FUD information. Here on CNN, we like to keep you updated with all the latest news. And recently we've been discussing about how the major institutions will try and scare you out of buying Bitcoin, buying coins, just so they can buy them at a better price. Now, this is a perfect example. JP Morgan strategies warn Bitcoin's momentum could collapse. Now, if you don't know what FUD means, just a quick little outlook. Excuse me. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt, often shortened to FUD, is a propaganda tactic used in sales, marketing, public relations, politics, polling, and cults. FUD is generally a strategy to influence perception by disseminating negative and dubious or false information, and a manifestation of the appeal to fear. So this is what companies use to basically scare you out of your money. It's a top tactic, it's worked for years, and they'll continue to do it. Now, JP Morgan saying this. JP Morgan's strategists warn Bitcoin's momentum could collapse if it fails to break above $60,000 again. Strategics says this occurred 3 times last year, but overall flow impulse pushed levels still higher. However, they say Bitcoin's current advanced momentum decay could be more difficult to reverse. So, again, they're saying all this news, putting it out there, saying, okay, we're looking at Bitcoin, but how can we still keep and buy at a cheaper price? As you can see here, this this excerpt here, JP Morgan Strategic said at the time that a failure by the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to receive additional inflows over the coming weeks would also cast doubt on the idea that institutional investors would embrace Bitcoin. Since then, Grayscale's total assets under management have swelled from 10.8 billion to 44.9 billion. In particular, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust has increased from 9.049 billion to 36176 billion. So they're trying to give out the information that, oh, these companies, they're not having enough money in and whatever, but they know what's going on. Quick little look here, Bitcoin treasuries, right? So these are all the biggest companies that have invested in Bitcoin recently. MicroStrategy, they brought 2.26 billion, now it's worth 5 billion. Tesla, 1.5 billion, which you probably heard about in the news recently, it's now worth 2.6 billion. I can go on, look at all the names here: Coinbase, Marathon Digital, Galaxy Digital Holdings. The only one you don't see here yet is JP Morgan. Wonder why? JP Morgan is not there yet because they haven't brought yet. So that's why they're giving out this information. This is what they want, people. These are all of their buddies. These are all of their pals. They want to invest with these people here, but they want to buy it at a cheaper price. Look how much they own: 91,000, 48,000, 8,000, 5,000. They want to buy it at the cheapest price, people. Do not let these people try and scam you or make you think that they're not buying, because they're always buying. So, quick one today, people. I just wanted to go through that news. We're just going to run through the TA now and finish things off. BTC is having a quite good day. The way it's still respecting the triangle. It's still respecting the support line that we drew here yesterday, and it's steadily bouncing up. As long as it stays above this white line here, then we should be due for a push up very soon. The Bollinger Bands are squeezing quite tight, and the levels on the MACD are slanting up. So we are looking good on that side of things. Should things fall, we could be looking at, on the 4 hour, should things fall, we'll still be respecting this trend line here at around the 51.4 level. So we're quite away from there now. We haven't really pushed down since that dump on Sunday, so it seems like things are on the up right now. But we currently got a bullish engulfing candle here, so things are looking good right now, so keep an eye on this. Let's have a look at ETH right now. So ETH has had a nice push today. As you can see with ETH now, I've already drawn out the extension line from here and placed it at this break here, and it is looking like it is coming up. So if you put a trade in there, you've been about 13% up so far, and it's still climbing. It is in a good position at the moment. Bollinger Bands are looking to be expanding to the upside. As you can see, it's on the right side of the 20-day close, and it's pushing up closer to get above the 50-day close, which is all good. This is an extremely good candle here right now. Let's have a look at the 1 day. The 1 day good is looking very healthy for Ethereum. It's starting to push away from the 50, and it's starting to respect this line here. Still strong buying pressure to push the price back up. As you can see, a green candle here. It tried to go back down there, but it bounced back up. So these are all positive signs. You've got your bull flag pattern here. So you move this out of the way. Your bull flag pattern there. So we're likely going to see a bounce up to around the 2575 level. So look out for that. That'll be a great trade there. Things are looking very healthy. On the RSI, we're not currently sitting at the overbought level. 74 is quite healthy for a top. So if we bounce up there and continue to trade along here, that'll be quite healthy for a little while after a push to the upside. So right now things are looking good for Ethereum. Let's jump on over to BTT. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Okay, so as you can see, BTT, it has been in this descending triangle for quite a while now, since the top in the blue. If you can see this triangle here, but it has been respecting it for quite a while now. Testing it there, testing it again, testing it again, testing it again, testing it again and again. It really likes this channel. It's going to play out right to the end. As you can see, as the channel gets narrower, it's playing out right to the end, people. Right to the very end. It's keeping you hanging. So again, you'd have to keep an eye on this one. This could either drop to the upside or downside, but judging by the way it's respecting the support line here, I am anticipating a bounce to the upside. So yeah, that's been BTT and Bitcoin and Ethereum. I hope you found today's session informative. If you like what you see, please smash the like button, subscribe, keep others informed, spread the knowledge. We're always trying to build a knowledgeable community here at CNN. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and have a good day. See you soon. Bye.